It answered my phone all day and booked 3 meetings without me touching it. Imagine never picking up an unknown call again because something else answers it, handles it, and texts you the result. Zinley makes that possible. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your own free AI receptionist in under 10 minutes. Here's what we'll cover. First, what Zinley actually is and why it's different from a normal chatbot. Then, exactly how to set it up with your own phone number and email. After that, the one feature that beats a human assistant. And by the end, you'll have a free AI receptionist answering your calls and emails while you do something else. Zinley is a personal AI that gets its own real phone number and email inbox, then answers calls, books things, and handles email on your behalf. It's built for freelancers, founders, and anyone drowning in calls and emails they don't have time for. Text it like you'd text a person. Book us a table for 4 Thursday. And it calls around, remembers you're allergic to shellfish, and texts you back when it's done. It's free to start, with your own number and inbox included. No credit card required. Here's exactly how to set it up. Step 1. Go to Zinley.com and claim your Zinley. It instantly gives you a real phone number and email address that belong only to you. Step 2. Tell it who matters, which contacts are important, which calls it can take on its own, and when it should stop and ask you first. Step 3. Just start asking. Text it, call it, or CC it on an email thread in any language, and it goes and does the work while you do something else, then reports back in plain English. The feature that sold me is CC Zinley on email. Add its inbox to any thread, and it keeps the conversation moving in your tone, proposing times, handling the back and forth, and only pulling you in once everyone's agreed. The meeting lands on your calendar without you typing a single reply. Now, here's how this pays for itself. Solopreneurs and small agencies are setting up a Zinley number as a virtual receptionist for local businesses, realtors, contractors, dentists, who miss calls every single day. You configure the rules once, hand them the number, and charge a $200 to $400 setup fee plus a monthly fee to manage it. Freelance assistants are also using it to multiply their own capacity, running Zinley alongside their real job to handle scheduling and email for several clients at once. Let's talk pricing. Free to start gets you your own real phone number and inbox, no card required. Enough to actually run this for yourself today. Paid plans unlock more usage and let it work across tools like Gmail, Slack, Calendar, and Notion for heavier daily use. If you're constantly missing calls or drowning in email, this is a no-brainer. If you just want to try the idea of an AI assistant, the free tier alone is enough to see if it clicks. So here's my question for you. What's the first call or email you'd hand off to an AI assistant? Drop it below. I read every comment. Follow Patapo AI. New AI tool every day. No hype, no fluff.